This is a project built for Model Car Magazine Forum Community Build. It's called Cannonball Ruse, which the idea was to take a race car and turn it into somewhat looks like a street car to run in the Cannonball Run. I took this because, Subarus are cool. I added the Thule cargo box, which I'll show what the features of that are. I, modified the interior a little bit with roll bar. There's a cooler inside there. Okay, now this one here, that's an aftermarket engine made by Hobby Design, because this Tamiya kit does not come with an engine. So all that is from that little kit there. There's a few extra details that I added, like the cold air box, air filter, aluminum plate, cross strut tower brace, that sort of thing. I use a 100-year-old pocket watch chain for the hinges on the hood. I added the prop rod here. So all it has to do is come down there. There's a little catch there. I have two magnets, rare earth magnets in there, so when the hood is closed, it'll stay closed. The cargo box there, I made it so that the CB and the scanner antenna, at times if you want to, you can lower it like that. And there's also a, let's see if I can get this open here with one hand. I have a, because this car came with rally lights, which are illegal, of course, to use on the road. But in this case here, I have it so this rotates up there. And that little thing right there, I actually salvaged from a camera. If you take apart any dead camera, like a digital camera, it has really cool parts in it, like the rare earth magnet. So anyway, that's my Subaru with an engine.